Sound boy.
I don't know. Things are getting more harder. So if you never marry,
the pressure is getting worse.
If you never marry, I don't know how you want to do your wedding ceremony. It's not even because finding a wife now your own concern. Now the wedding I can concern me if you invite me, you get.
Why you concern you? They invite you
because I like your price, yeah.
And rice go there now. Rice and stew very plenty.
With the way the country be right now, if you not feed people when you invite for wedding, everybody will understand. You get me.
Anyway, now you go decide how many people you go afford to feed at your wedding. And besides these days, I notice a lot of people know they do reception.
Yes, it's better.
So when
just come church, just go
church as soon as they finish the joining, when they don't take pictures, as soon as they come out, they hand you your food for inside bag.
For bag. It's a very good initiative that save you of the money for hall, save you of the money for DJ, of the money for live band, of the money for chairs, decoration, and before you know, you are saving almost like 5 million naira. You get me. So if na traditional wedding you want to do normal, you see that is our wedding actually. The white wedding one that they call that wedding one that they call so. Now you both normal wedding be that, but because our honor they always do us, we get inferiority complex, low self-esteem. We always want to do what other people are doing. Now you go carry your natural hair, not do you spend millions of naira till they buy other people because you want to feel comfortable. On top of that oneself, you not still feel fine. You not still comfortable too.
That was too harsh now.
Sometimes you need to talk. See, Nigerians only understand the harsh truth. You get me. You know, you go package, God go bless you with body. You will say, no, you're not there all right. You want to look like another person. You go spend millions of naira. You know, they put more stress on top of our naira because I don't remember with Fire Shape brother, wait if when you talk a few days ago, you get me. So let's all help ourselves though. Anyway, welcome to Across the Bridge. We don't start. My name is Naran B.
Me na Lady J, the unsung, but the one of Naija FM 102.7.
Yeah, we are just alone today inside the studio. Just alone, you get me. But cameraman there on ground shine. Me no if say alone means really alone. We are not just me on air.
That now say our partners no day.
Then our partners, our co-hosts, which partners?
And the partners co-hosts all join.
Now they look for fill up.
Only it's not fill up. Fill up waiting.
Anyway, we have something special to talk about. But before them, so there's a report trending right now concerning Oga Interior Minister in person of Tunji Ojo, known as Olubumi Tunji Ojo.
Yeah.
You know, since this whole minister for this administration they appointed, now be the talk of the town. You get everybody talk about town, and that would not be possible if some certain individuals are not the really talk about a certain day, which go come make the masses they talk about time. Yeah. You get me. So a report come outside now, according to Foundation for Investigation Journalism (FIJ). The yarn say our interior minister actually get over 50 influencers who they contracted to take push image on social media.
Wow.
Tunji Ojo public image in the media remains spotless until a contract scandal involving a company he personally found became public knowledge in the first week of January. You remember the news, right? When they come as I thought saying don't come out for the company since 2017. You get me. But the company be get a contract of consultancy for the humanitarian ministry, which they paid them I think 500 and something million, because of 500 and something million you get. So they say evidence come emerge on January 7th say Oga Tunji Ojo New Planet Project Limited obtained a consultancy project from the Federal Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Alleviation, then headed by the troubled suspended minister Betta Edu. The scandal come make people they question a lot about am, which come make am fight to find the Corporate Affairs Commission filing when come show say he don't resign the directorship from that company since 2019. Okay, I'm correcting myself now. Okay. But the CAC did not reflect the change on the public portal. But they say even on top that one, he still remains shareholder for the organization. So this discovery of 50 social media influencers for a handle come make and look like say now package arrangement they do even before this whole arrangement fall aside. So according to FIJ findings, who released a list of social media influencers went to Jojo contact. They contact say these people, their work now to run hype. May I use the word hype and promotion on top the social media. I dey see all their handles here now. You get me? 50 of them.
50.
Yes.
A whole 50.
A whole 50 of them.
To make them look good in public.
Now, before you start to the chat, I want to talk this thing. Every government appointee voted or elected in one way or the other, then they get a more not lie. When you hear media this, media that, only that one media person not they do the thing. They get people when they pay, when they appeal to they always talk good about them on social media. Not be only Oga Tunji, not be they one. Even every one of them get
even President Tinubu gets.
No, you they go far now. We talk about talk about president. That one I know man. I did national budget. I try
budget they talk and you know he get in main media aid Ajuri Ngolali, but I know say Ajuri Ngolali no be the only person wey be media talk. People
even me as I small as I dey try do small show now. I get like 4 people for my media team. You get one day Twitter, one day Instagram. The other one they make noise of it. Now me go back and say come join me, help me promote my show. So their own are to say me. And wetin they say now wetin I dey do.
Now wetin they do.
You get me now they say. So releasing this list not really me say Mo check and this people when they talk about Oga Minister, they do the way that they talk about now wetin the minister they do.
No.
No, like now the question when we will ask right now. All those type when they tweet at their own, when they pay themselves to the tweet. Now wetin the minister they do or not they do. I be that they had pepper and salt. That should be the question because if one they look say they are paying all of them they do. They get people when they pay.
Both Nigeria, outside Nigeria, they get.
Yes, they did.
Donald Trump get. But Biden get.
I think why this one be issue now say, say man, maybe because of the way that they hype waiting they do, in those step on a lot of people too. So that you they look for a way to just say this guy, because it don't come up from some few people mouth. This online they not pay money past your passport money. A lot of people don't use that one to build house for villages and so those people are not go feel. If not me, I go verse, I go look for bad news about and break on my side.
Well, thank God you don't talk everything. You supposed to know the kind country where you come up from.
No, it's a normal human being.
Now normal thing. Once somebody can step on your toes or take something where they profit you go won't find way to get back at that person, so
I don't see any big deal in this investigation review.
Thank God say now even influence they influence no be say then they
I don't know how much they actually pay each of them, but still yet now waiting all of them they do it's not a big deal because the see people they try 15 now me put this they pay to speak good about your president about your governor. Not be one governor the question he waka bad now the next is there's actually review project when commission 3 years ago 4 years ago project when he do before he become governor there's actually bring those people are paid.
Now influencer they do
to bring the news out.
Edu, the wahala wey she dey face, she go pay some influencers make them talk good about her.
So it's normal.
So what are we saying? Make them free the guy, Jerry.
Moving forward, I don't know. I just feel say sometimes we all wake up. I know some certain things that they necessitate talk like this, though, this kind of narrative. So somebody tweet. He say only women should be allowed to study gynecology. Actually, only women should be gynecologists.
Why?
Somebody can say I honestly agree with you. Last time I went to see a gynecologist, it happened to be a man. He told me nice clip. He look this thing. He said nice. The guy say I didn't even know how to react. The another person can say my cousin was in Yaba Military Hospital 2018 and the doctor who was examining her asked me to leave the room. She was too sick. They used the curtain to cover her session. I was worried as it was taking time. I got uncomfortable and I opened the curtain with speed. And the idiot was using his hand to that thing. I think using his finger to my very weak cousin who just had an appendix surgery. First of all, we don't know if this individual they lie or not. I'm saying it because I did radio. You get, but. These are just one or few cases when they happen, but that does not make you to push the narrative. Say, men not they study, may they not become gynecologists. Maybe women because they have to do with the human you get, and they make you deliver. They check which time my wife when my wife was born. The doctor where I do 8 centimeter. He come again. He say 6 centimeter. Oh, let me just say my wife because nothing concern my wife. She did labor. Oh, let me just say, are you okay? Me self, I know they get this free opportunity to yours. Sometimes they go hold my hand, you get. So, but more not forget, say this is not profession.
I get what in the talk, but R&B, may we break some things down.
No, you break and they hear you.
Okay, so yes, now profession. And in as much as in a profession, there be human beings too. Because I know a friend of mine who don't talk, say a friend of would be almost victim of this kind of thing. She go see a gynecologist. So, and because she know they feel fine. So, of course, she gas, the gas check that paro. She say wait, she close her eye because she know they feel fine. See by the time she open them, the doctor don't already put trousers down. His soldier don't salute where we're ready to strike. Now she can't the shots. And so they come grab the doctor in that very compromising position.
Okay. So I want you to talk something. One doctor do or one doctor misbehave or is a pervert or is stupid or foolish. Does that make all doctor foolish?
No.
This is not the same narrative we use as men. Won't use for men is come. One guy go get one problem with one man because the man was so foolish and charges and he not get sense. The girl because he get bad experience with that particular man go come and say go say men are what scum. You don't generalize a narrative. No, now listen to me now. Listen, not be competition. Listen first. Listen to me. You go push that narrative. Because you lie down for social media, everybody will come assume say other men be like that one man when you get experience with. I don't know if you get me.
I get you.
So coming to this doctor right now, these few people when yarn this thing right now, I don't know how many gynecologists we get. I believe they might even reach thousands or probably get to 1 million. Two inside can't do something. Now you want to make it us men not they study to become gynecologists again. Does it make sense?
It don't make sense. We get as far as nurses are concerned, we get male nurses. So you go say make the male nurses no day again. You know go talk that kind of thing now. So bad experiences don't mean everybody they bad. I remember
now to remove that bad experience from that cycle, not to stop the cycle.
Yes,
no, they know what they push for some time because the matter they be like say, hey, yes, it is. Now don't start again. Anyway,
I remember when I want to do surgery for hernia.
Yeah,
and I go hospital. Thankfully, the person where I go see a family friend and she be medical doctor. So she said, okay, make her colleague check me. Now I say, nah man, I be a woman. She can't they laugh.
You?
She laugh me finish. She say, okay, you want woman? I say yes. Okay, fine.
You go bring woman come. They go bring woman come for you.
Yeah, they go bring woman come. But at the end of the day, when I do surgery, nah man, I food.
No, you for look for woman may do surgery for you. No, you for look for woman.
That time now, I was just shy. Now just shyness they do me. Why? Don't be say anything.
Umi you go blow me kiss.
No only you blow kiss, he blow me kiss too.
And you collect her.
I collect her.
You and young boys,
That your math, you don't start again. Be me and young boys.
No, I just
meaning
compliment
what now?
You now.
Meaning what exactly?
Is it not a good thing?
Meaning what exactly? Me and young boys do 18.
Okay. Now just is it not good you like young boys?
I don't like young boys.
Okay.
I beg. No spoil my profile and my parole. You don't start again.
I liking young boys. See this, but that is enhancing your profile because now young boys will take interest in you.
Only a year. I don't want young boys. I don't tell you my age range. I beg.
You never tell me. Maybe now. Well, I'm actually misinformed. Sorry, what's the age range?
I know if you do. I not young boys. Not Fumbi's age. I beg.
How did you say Fumbi?
This I don't know Fumbi age.
How did you say be?
I know Fumbi age. So
how old did you say be?
Fumbi at the early 30s today now.
Is that a young man to you?
Yes.
How many years is it now?
I over senior him.
You know over senior or anything? Waiting.
Really?
8 years.
Which 8 years? I take 10 years gift to
that one I age?
No be age. Now waiting.
You know people don't date when they use 10 years dating on me.
Thank God.
And they deal with them.
They deal with them. Clap for you. How did they talk up for Yoruba? But they were from R&B. Oh yeah, collect.
300 and something language.
No problem. But now you be that.
It doesn't change. No, I'm telling you.
Preference. I don't want. Yeah. Okay. All of us get what we like.
Okay. But the last time we'll give you, agree. We give you that person. Say, no,
which other person?
That one from UK now, US.
How old he be?
I don't know now. You know that
70 years.
Is it bad? You not senior. You not be senior you.
You
say you don't want younger boys.
Listen to me.
First is senior you call and you reject them.
You see the problem with you now. Now the extremes you they go. I know. If you like, make you talk anything.
Pick a fight. Let's know. Somebody must senior you, and somebody must be younger than you.
I choose my battles.
The age, how many years? It don't matter.
I choose my battles. R&B. I choose my battles. 2024, I choose my battles. Okay. No, if I'm at that. Okay.
Oh yeah, moving forward. So something the trend. Hey, I don't know whether enough time go there for us to play. So for we sister station Classic FM on top the Dr. Ken show, the discuss with Dr. Ken. Yeah. So a doctor came on that show and he said these few things. More your ear, put your down.
Okay.
So there's a concept in physiology. If you don't use it, you lose it. Okay. The only form of exercise your prostate gland gets is doing erection, and that erection comes with sexual activity. Okay. So the study is abundantly clear that a man in healthy shape should be able to have sexual interaction 21 times a month.
21 times
a month to avoid prostate issues, prostate cancer, or cardiovascular issues. If you don't exercise the gland, it swells on you. It becomes enlarged. When it becomes enlarged, that is a precursor to cancer. So yes, you have a beautiful wife. Do whatever it takes to please that woman so she can give it to you 21 times a month.
Yeah, wow. But that's if she pleases you, because you have to be in the right state of mind, isn't it?
Yeah, but don't quote me to your wife, Dr. Ken. So if she doesn't please you, I advocate to my patients that you can have a side chick. Your side chick could be on contract, but you just know that you need to do your 21 times to avoid prostate cancer.
What you are saying is to optimize.
To optimize.
If you can't get it at home, you should find a way to outsource that person and let it be optimized. Nice, yeah. Well, you're talking about 21 times. 21 I mean, a lot of people will say it's impossible in our context. A man has not eaten properly in Nigeria. How can they find the strength for 21 times? A man has to be polygamous to be able to achieve that level of frequency.
And physiologically, men, our DNA shows that men are actually known to be polygamous. We are wired to be polygamous.
Yep.
This is the Discourse.
So, in particular, that was Dr. Rashid Adedayo. Yes. I believe you clearly heard what he said. Some of all these things he said is no. But now, we had this conversation for start. Now, prostate cancer. And I quote him. I've always known this, though. You get a little bit. But it's not this scientifically proven. So, when I hear this again, I quickly go do my own research. And I ask, can man not having sex cause prostate cancer? What did they tell me? They say lack of sex is not known to cause prostate cancer, but it is noted that there is some evidence that frequent ejaculation, whether that through masturbation or sex, help to cause protection against this cancer. Lady, you hear? So they're not they scientifically proven, it they noted say you having sex help you to reduce your chances of prostate cancer. I know one of my guy when they got do operation because he not great do masturbation, he not do chichoyo, he not great do. They got to offload some things come up for your body. He was still young, so that make it not lead to prostate cancer. So that's where this doctor is coming from. Now I can't say a normal human being based on study supposed to they get chichoyo with his wife 21 times in a month. If you multiply that by 12 months, out of 365 days, you are supposed to have sex 252 days.
R&B.
And I think I'm doing well. I'm not doing well in life right now. I'm sad with this new report right now and this statistics. That means as a human being, as a man, you are supposed to have sex that leads to ejaculation 252 times in a year. So you 21 times in a month.
You don't beat that record.
No. If not before.
Oh, not before.
If not before, they do 3 times a day, Seth.
Hey.
Tracy almost killed me, but thank God we made it.
You call her name.
Yes, she almost killed me, but thank God we made it.
So right now with your wife now, they reach 21 times a month.
21 waiting
times a month. They reach your wife now.
If I will see twice a month, Seth, I dey thank God. So that leads me to the second point of what the man talk. We say, have a contract side chick, because your wife cannot keep up with that 21 times. If you want to save yourself from cancer, somebody has to be doing it who you will pay. Now you see, in as much as we might hide from this conversation based on morality, but it is a long. No, my mind tell me I not talk that word for long. Yes, known that say see waiting or hide it. But here waiting if we talk, it is proven that men are polygamous in nature. Polygamous in nature not mean say you want to marry 10 wives. That you have to have different women to to supply or to fit.
No, say you go champion this because now waiting you like.
Because not be say what I like. This is science. This is
I know you go get side chick.
We are trying to create awareness to save men from prostate cancer.
Awareness.
You get me?
So if the man now, no be competition, but if the man now guys have 21 times a month to avoid prostate cancer. So the woman unko waiting she go need to do.
The woman they get prostate cancer. You don't ever say woman get prostate cancer. Waiting this one they talk. Women not see. We are talking about a particular problem when men they face.
They talk, but make we balance the scale.
Forget balancing. Now this competition until they spoil this world. Conversation will come. They make comparison. Do women have prostate cancer? No, we are talking about prostate cancer when men they suffer from. Because and the one way to help you listen, and one way to protect you against prostate cancer is to have sex 21 times in a day. Now the question now be
in a day or in a month.
Sorry, in a month. Can your wife meet up with that 21 times? And if she cannot meet up, how can you make things meet?
By force by fire, say that 21 times you guys meet them.
Yes, that you got me. Guess what? Some wives when we just newly married. Listen, one we just newly married before children coming, because you having children reduces the chances of you and your partner having sex, because now you have other things to worry about. You are working and the rest you get, and for you to enjoy sex, you have to be in a good mood, whether the man or anyone, whether good mood or bad mood. We are always ready, idiot people. But the women have to be in a good mood. You get me? So having children now go reduce that chances. I don't know if you get me. So now when you notice, say some men goes, okay, you get, auntie, you there outside, no, I don't want to stress my wife. You they help my wife to do some of the work while they pay you. You get me?
So so what thing go happen if the side chick now wants to be a confirmed baby mama since she they help your wife?
You don't know it, please. Anyway, that'll be all. I wish Godwin was around now for to enjoy this conversation, because Godwin for your talk, wait I expect her to talk. You get me? But when Godwin they come,
be taking masters now. So what do you expect? 12 now be taking masters now. What do you expect?
No, you don't understand. If I talk differently to wait I talk right now, I'm me.
Okay.
Yeah. If I talk more, you get. When Godwin they come, I go save this topic for her. And I go save this daughter Yes more discuss her well. But that will be all for now. They leave it for the soft hands of Lady JJ. You know, like younger men, you know, like older men. Maybe when I go ask Lady JJ what he like later on. Because right now I can't even help her. I was thinking I will help her with this age.
Help me with who?
You know?
Help me with who?
I have some capable men, but that's the conversation for another day. My name is Aroambi.
Naija FM 102.7 Radio Wani.